Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation from Cartrimhome on my Rav4. So let's get to it. On this episode I have rear tailgate lights for my 2021 Toyota Rav4. If you can see here on the Rav4, if you don't have lights on your tailgate, you don't have a lot of illumination. I already have an LED in there and that's all the light I have. So if you want to get more illumination, this is the way to do it. Lights, they're gonna go right here on those covers. I already have lights before, but I'm gonna show you in this episode how to put this new light, and it's really simple. The only difficult thing will be putting the cable, the wire harness, through this grommet. To start with the installation, you're gonna have to remove these covers. The tool is provided with the kit. Remove these little covers on both sides. It has two 10mm bolts. Once you remove those 4 bolts, you're gonna remove these covers. Once you remove all those 3 covers, you can just start pulling on the cover right here. Now you're gonna remove this light. The wire harness, it has these 2 connectors, these plastic connectors, and the wire harness doesn't have the connectors in, so like that it's gonna be easier to put the wire harness through here. You plug it in first in here, run it all the way. You can remove this little clip so you can put this down and open this grommet. You gotta run the cable through here and then it's gonna go to both sides. I already have the plastic clips on my wire harness. Now that this is ready to go, I can grab my light, connect it the other end to the stack connector and see if the light works. If the light works, everything is ready. Now I can just grab the other end with the 2 connectors going on. You probably gonna have to remove this cover. It's really easy. You just have to go and just start pulling all the way around so you can remove it and put your cables through in all the way up, and then these 2 they go to the side. Okay, now that you have your cables through, let's see which one goes where. If for some reason your light doesn't work, you're gonna have to unpin this and flip it. Now the good thing about these lights, you can change them. They have like a sensor in them. You can just press anywhere and the light's gonna go on, and you can just leave them like that. When you close the tailgate, they're gonna go back on the same color, same everything. Now if you tap on the light, you can turn them to red and you can dim the light. You can just hold and press, it's gonna dim the light. If you want them super bright or just not bright at all or in the middle, you can just play with them like that. Both of them are red. You don't have a lot of illumination in here. Let me turn off this light and this one too. You can see you don't have a lot of illumination, and I really don't need red. So you can tap them, turn off, tap them again, it's super bright on white, or you can dim them. And there you have it. You can have whatever color you like, white, red, doesn't matter. Same thing with this one. Tap it super bright. On this one, press it and hold it, and it's gonna go and get bright. And like that, you're gonna have way more illumination on the back. Now let me close the tailgate and see if they go off. I don't know if you can see it, but definitely they go off. Now if we open the tailgate, they turn back on. Those lights are super bright. You're gonna have better and more illumination here on the rear. Now with all the lights off, you can see how bright the rear of your tailgate gets. Super bright, but like I said, you can change them. Let's see how it looks on red. Not bright at all, but if you want to have them like that, you can have them like that. Let's get them bright all the way. Just tap and hold, and now they're brighter, as you can see. But my color is not gonna be red. Tap them, and I'm just gonna leave them like that. So there you have it. New installation on my Rav4 with these lights from Cartrimhome for my tailgate. Like that, you have white and red. You can play with them. You can just do whatever you want. When you close them, they're gonna turn off, and when you open the tailgate, they're gonna go back the same way you left them. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna get these lights from Cartrimhome for any 5th generation Toyota Rav4. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.